Welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to log into an Instagram account. Whether you're a new user or need a refresher, this full guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the official Instagram app installed on your device. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Play Store. Once you're there, type Instagram in the search bar. Look for the app with a camera icon featuring a beautiful gradient between yellow and pink. Tap on it, then tap Install. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Now let's log into your Instagram account. Follow these easy steps. Step 1. If you haven't already, locate the login screen in the app. Step 2. Enter your email or main username associated with your Instagram account. Step 3. Tap on the Next button to proceed. That's it. You have successfully logged into your Instagram account and can now access all its features, photos, and videos. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. Instagram provides a simple solution. Just tap on the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password and regain access to your account. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found it informative, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.